So yun po mga ka-boss idol, good morning, it's me again, Phil TV's back. So guys, at this vlog is another off-road trip. I don't know where we're gonna go because this is my friend idea, but hopefully you guys gonna like this video. And if you are new in my YouTube channel, please guys don't forget to subscribe and also ring the bell, notification bell, so you guys gonna updated for more videos in the future. So guys, I'm just gonna go to the shower and it's gonna be real quick, just like this. Alright, so I'm done with shower and let's go guys, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe on this video and enjoy this video guys. Okay, let's go.
Minutes later.
Alright guys, so we're already here at my friend place and back at again. Woo! Another vlog for today. Oh, shit. Ooh, who's here? Jay's here, Jay's here. Alright man, alright guys, so we're going right now. Let's go. Yeah, sure. It's already set?
Yep, 16, right? Testing, 1 6.
Testing 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4.
Pre, off-road na.
So we're here right now. I mean, we're still on the way. The road is off-road. Yeah. Gang. Alright guys, so update for now. It's really bad because you can see it. That's the ice, frozen ice all the way to go to that trail. So we decided that we're just gonna go back, then find a place down there so we can hang out and chill, because it's really crazy. It's frozen ice, it's not good. And if you can see that there's a smoke out there, there's some cars got stuck, and yeah, so we decided to go back. So we're backing up right now. Hey! Scary, icy. So those guys there, they got stuck. Alright guys, so we end up in this area. Look. Oh, that's a clip. That's a pretty nice view. So we park here. It's my car there. So everybody's parked here. Woohoo! We made it!
Yeah!
We made it in the top!
We sure did! It's a beautiful day.
It's a sunny day. See that? And there are clips. So we found out that there's a car on the bottom of the clip, and you can see in my footage in the drone.
What's the first cup of noodles?
Countdown, please. What are we aiming at? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Damn, dude. You're under arrest, sir.
Knocked my ear protection out. Forward. Really high. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I had a tiger.
Alright guys, so this is my last part of my vlog, and thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to click the ring bell button for notification so that you guys updated for all videos for the future that I'm gonna make it. Alright guys, thank you so much and have a good day, have a good night. Goodbye.